right, it's a beautiful January day. It's January 3rd. We're gonna go hiking in Castlewood State Park. We got Yoda with us. Hi, Yoda. This is your first hike? You excited? And Quincy and me, and we're going hiking. Let's go hiking. No? Come on, it's gonna be fun. Yep.
Careful. Oh. Maybe now you can see that this doesn't look as natural as you would like for it to.
We're enjoying our first hike, aren't we, Yoda?
Are we enjoying?
Are you an outdoor dog?
Hike?
Yeah, you're not just a city dog. You can be multifaceted. What do you think?
The sun's in my eyes.
Yeah.